So I just logged into my Roku and it looks like they've updated the home screen. And if I'm being honest, don't like it. It looks like just a really big ad now. So I kind of want to change it back. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. To change it back, you're going to go to your settings section here. And then in settings, you're going to scroll down the home screen. And then a home screen trial right here. So they are doing a trial, like a test to see if people like it. And you can either stay in trial or leave trial. And what that does is it brings us back to our original home screen. So yeah, super quick video just to show how to do that. And yeah, that's all. So hope that helps. See you next time. Bye.